Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one I'm going to be covering cervical screening. Most of the data is annual and there's a few quarterly datasets in here too. So let's get going. We've got data going back to 2004-05 up to June 2022. 457,000 rows of data. You can see a list of the tables here. So if you pause the video, that's your lot. And if I just scroll down, there's the rest of them. So you get the idea there. I've just queried a handful just to give you an idea because I want to actually spend, I don't want to give you a massive video to watch. CCG level data, so you've got eligible, screened, and numbers needed to get to 80%, things like that. Another one, GP level data, recall status, severe screening, res and reg. Now I'm not sure what that means, but let me show you how you'd find that out. It's in the tutorial anyway. So we're talking about recall, status, res and reg. That's this one. There's the description. If I just copy that out. Recall status by most severe screening result and region. I think I'll end the video there. There's an awful lot to look through, but if you get yourself a free trial and have a play, then you can see the whole lot. Thanks.